and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sitefinity out-of-the-box Forms module and widget. So there are two components to using Sitefinity Forms. One is the Forms module beneath content in the backend. The other is the form widget that I've already added to the page here. To create forms, you simply go to this forms page in the backend beneath content, go to create a form. I'm going to use one that's already existing. As you can see, I have already added fields to this form, but these are just text-based forms. Fields, you can also add additional navigation, multiple choice options, checkboxes, drop-downs, and a number of other options. You can also configure the layout of your form by using any one of these grid widgets that you have styled, and you can control additional settings for that form on what happens, whether there are no restrictions on the form entry at all, or if you want to one entry per IP, one entry per username if you use usernames, as well as control the confirmation options. And by default, Sitefinity stores the form responses in the backend, which I will show you in a moment. But in addition to that, you can have individuals email the form whenever the submission goes through. So whenever you want to configure your fields on the form, you simply click Edit. You can control the label, placeholder text, predefined values, and what the error message is if they do not meet that, as well as setting the type of limitations you want set on it. You see you have quite a number here. You can control the error message for that as well. Now, for checkboxes and multiple choice options, you do get to pick the title text as well as the choice text. And drop-down list, you can show the additional information within your drop-downs. So once you've configured your form, you will publish it, and as you can see here, this is what it would look like with our styling if it were published on the site. Now to go back to what you would see whenever you're looking for form responses within the CMS, you'd simply go to the forms page, select responses, and you could see those responses here. Click them to see more on information about that response, such as written responses. You can export it as an Excel sheet, create a response if you need to, and delete them or search them. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, follow our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter.